So we find joy in the strength of our Savior and in the character of our destination. I like this thought about joy. We find it in the strength, in the character of our destination, where we are headed with Jesus Christ. Philippians chapter 4, verse 4, we mentioned it earlier. The Apostle Paul, while he sits in prison, not too far from the end of his life, Philippians 4:4, he tells the church there, rejoice in the Lord always. Again, I will say, rejoice. He didn't write that after he won the lottery and everything's going fine. And all of the religious leaders said, you know what, Paul, preach as much as you want. We're just fine with that. We're not going to throw you in prison. That's not when he said it. He's in prison. Rejoice in the Lord always. And again, I say, rejoice. Can we reflect on these kinds of things in this Advent season to cut through whatever's inside of our hearts and minds and lives and to find this kind of joy? Friends, the light of Jesus Christ was born in obscurity. Evil men slaughtered babies to kill him. Religious leaders ignored him. His own people ignored him, rejected him, and crucified him. But he rose from the dead, brings life to everyone who believes, and he is our returning King of Kings. That's what happens when Jesus was born, when Emmanuel comes to be with us.